I've spent the last 20 years remodeling, building, and developing homes in the Bay Area. In that time, I've often had friends and family come to me for advice and direction in the midst of their own home renovations and builds. They were trying to tackle their own home improvement projects, but needed help getting things done. They didn't know how to get over certain hurdles, where to buy materials, and often wanted to know if I had good referrals for reliable companies to come in and complete each part of their project. I have realized, through helping friends and family over the years, that there are a large number of people who want the savings of running their own project, but could use the expertise of a general contractor to walk them through each step on the way to their dream home. When we identified this need for a more cost-effective way to streamline home improvement projects, the idea to start ebuildz was born. ebuildz is an online platform that does exactly what I have done over the years for my friends and family. We empower you, the homeowner, to step into the shoes of a general contractor. We provide a detailed roadmap to walk you through any project that includes all of the information and resources you need to save time and money and cut out the middleman in the process. Our platform is able to provide you with help from start to finish, from dream to reality. We start with design ideas and a customized project roadmap. We are there for as much or as little help as you need along the way, from support with inspections to the ability to provide multiple bids from each vendor you need for any project. Our platform is here to support you and make sure you are empowered to create the space you have always dreamed of. If you should hit any bumps along the road, our experts are here to walk you through whatever issue you are facing. At ebuildz, our mission is to make sure that every homeowner, no matter how big or small the project or budget, has access to all the resources necessary to create a space they love.